Hello, Cookie Fashion Bear. Interesting name. Your parents don't know how to name you, but that's okay. Alright, so you want to know how to find the maximum, absolute, and minimum for f of x equals t minus the cube root of t. So on that interval, the reason why the interval is given is because a cube root function will go from go all down the way down to the left and all the way up to the right. So it's technically the minimum is negative infinity and the maximum is positive infinity. But they're limiting you to a smaller range. All right. So what you're going to do is, so let's write that down. So we got, so f of x is equal to t minus the cube root of t. All right, so the way you do this is you just take the derivative of this and set it equal to 0. So you need to find f prime of x. So the derivative of t is 1. Remember, derivative of any single variable without an exponent is 1. So, and then you have, and then this one, it's the same as negative t to the 1/3. All right, so I'm going to have to change the powers. So you're going to go minus 1 from there, and you're going to times by the 1/3 out front. Okay? All right, so what's 1/3 minus 1? Well, that would be negative 2/3. So you got 1 minus 1/3 t raised to the negative 2/3, or t to the negative second over, and then the cube root of that. All right, well, anyways, you just say it equals 0. All right, so once you have that, so I'm just going to subtract 1, and I got negative 1 over 3t, and then there, equals negative 1. All right, stay with me. So times by 3 negative, so 3 over 1, all right, so that cancels. So that's times by negative 3. So that equals 3, right? So t to the negative 2/3 equals 3, okay? And so, and remember the way this one looks, it's t to the negative 3 square root, oops, wrong way, 2 and 3. All right, so now what you're going to do is you're going to cube both sides. So cube both sides. And so now you have minus 2 equals 9. And I'm going to change the form on you a little bit. So I'm going to 1 over t squared equals 9. So t squared is equal to 1/9. Tricky, right? And then I'm going to do square root. And so now t equals the square root of 1/9, which would be 1/3. But you're like, wait a second, what's the absolute minimum, what's the absolute maximum? Remember, when you take the square root, it's plus and minus. So it's plus and minus 1/3. So the absolute maximum equals 1/3. The min equals negative 1/3. And there you have it. I'm sorry about my bad handwriting, but I hope this explains it better than having all that inline text to weed through. All right.